Will your investment portfolio survive the next 5 years? That's the question every long-term investor is asking right now. We're not talking about next quarter's earnings. We're zooming out to the horizon, 2026 through 2030 and beyond. This period is shaping up to be one of profound shifts, and understanding the long-term price predictions for key assets is crucial to navigating it. First, let's look at the cornerstone of the crypto market, Bitcoin. Experts are forecasting a massive range for BTC by 2030, reflecting both extreme optimism and realistic caution. In a highly bullish scenario, driven by institutional adoption, favorable regulation, and its status as digital gold, predictions soar as high as $700,000. However, the more moderate, base case predictions generally put Bitcoin in the $150,000 to $250,000 range by the end of the decade. The key drivers? Continued halving cycles reducing supply, and massive institutional inflows via products like ETFs. Next, let's talk about the major altcoins, starting with Ethereum. Known as the platform for the decentralized future, the predictions here are equally explosive. Some analysts project an optimistic case for Ethereum reaching up to a staggering $154,000 by 2030. A more grounded base case still places it significantly higher, often in the $22,000 range, fueled by its transition to proof-of-stake, scalable Layer 2 solutions, and its role in everything from DeFi to NFTs. For other major projects like Cardano and Dogecoin, we also see strong long-term projections, with some models suggesting Cardano, ADA, could hit highs between $5 and $12 by 2027, and Dogecoin, Doge, possibly reaching $3 by 2030, assuming new utility and market enthusiasm persists. Now, a crucial word of caution. All these predictions are built on the assumption of continued technological progress, increasing global adoption, and a favorable regulatory environment. The risks are real. Global economic growth is projected to be slower, creating macroeconomic headwinds, and geopolitical tensions could fragment markets, which would dampen investment appetite. In a worst-case, more pessimistic scenario, Bitcoin could struggle to break $100,000 if faced with severe regulatory crackdowns or a sustained flight from risk assets. The next 5 years will be defined by a stale renaissance, a world where technological breakthroughs, particularly in AI and blockchain, meet significant global economic challenges. This is not a time for passive investing. It's a time to strategize around these long-term trends. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.